Alright guys, we are back in the garage, but not for long because I'm actually in a hurry. Crap dude, we gotta do a unboxing really quick because the machine shop is closing in like an hour and it's across town. So I have a feeling that you guys know very well what this is. A freaking Block Gaurd, dude! What is up, man? Of course, a lot of you guys guessed it, and you guessed correctly. Of course, we picked up a Block Gaurd for the B20 because we are going to be running slightly kind of a high compression, and you know, it's just an added measure of safety. You know what I'm saying? I can't afford to have the block sleeved, but I can at least throw a Block Gaurd in there. I mean, fuck, dude, it can't hurt, right? Alright, now I just talked to Todd down at S&S Machine, and we got to get the Block Gaurd. And I got to get the crank, the pistons and rods, Jesus, I freaking can't think right now. The rings. He said he needs the flywheel bolts. I got to take him the flywheel, and also the harmonic balancer, I think is what it's called. But you know, the pulley that all the belts go on. I need to take him that because I'm gonna have the rotating assembly balanced. And they need all of that stuff in order to balance it, obviously. So, the main caps, because when we dropped the block off, I didn't take the main caps with. Oh, dude, man. So I gotta get all this stuff loaded up. I got some foam to wrap the crank in. Hopefully nothing bangs around, dude. But I gotta get all this stuff loaded up really fast. Get it in the trunk. We're gonna stop and pick up Shiloh, of course, because can't go to S&S Machine without Shiloh.
Nobody can catch a meat speedy cause I the beating's a problem. And if you got a feed in your mouth, you gon' have to beat it about them. It's a lot of them, and I mean a lot of them. And me and Nina used to follow them. I got a audibly body him. This is it, man, the hitman, the hitman, karate him. And if hands will lift hands, we'll be dancing out of them. And the cans at the band, so we'll stand the proud of them.
Shiloh. Oh my fucking God. Jesus Christ, every time I see this thing. Damn it. Shiloh's bay looks better than mine. Not even gonna lie. Shiloh's bay looks hot, boy. Air conditioning. Yeah, boy. Boy, what's up? What's up? Y'all need to cop yourself some. You ready, fool? You guys close at 5 o'clock. It's like 4:10, 4:15, or what?
I go too.
All right. Smells like engines over here. Are you gonna say that every time we pull in here?
Yeah, new ones every time.
Oh. I was hoping you guys didn't do anything with it. So I got the Block Gaurd here. Oh yeah. Yeah. flywheel. It looks like everything we need, right?
Yeah, that should be it. Bearings. Do you have any bearings?
No, he said he was that he would figure out what size bearings after he checks and stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty clean.
Oh yeah. I'm painting it anyway, but
Is that what you do, is painting?
yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I already got the block all cleaned up. You look how clean that is, man. Is my head still sitting over here? I wanted to get it on. Yeah, there she is. The head's all done. Just sitting here waiting for the block.
Like a 1,000 horsepower 4-cylinder head right there. For UMS tuning, one of them 4G63s.
That's like
That's all
CNC.
CNC ported. That's a badass head.
Holy shit.
No, you are that head like that. I wish, man. I wish we had a CNC in the back. That's where I'd be at all day long.
Alright. Damn.
Yeah, those guys are serious with that one.
Yeah. It's okay. I mean, mine are okay. Damn it.
Hey, we could make them bigger, man.
I think they need to be bigger since I'm. Nice. And that's the same one I got, the Super Tech.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, basically the same thing.
Oh, thankfully, dude, we made it before they took off. They're actually getting out of here right now. Fuck, I need to turn around. Yeah, guys, make sure to check out S&S Machine. Obviously, if you're local here in Arizona, come check them out. Because these dudes, every time I come down here, they're nice as fuck to me. And they're most certainly taking care of your boys. So come down here, let them know, DB fam. And they're going to take care of you too. So we're going to fight through this traffic, get back to Shiloh's house, and we're going to make his ass give us an update on the 2J. Yeah, he's going to give us an update because I'm tired of seeing it in the comments. Alright guys, as you can see, the Civic, the 2JZ Civic is still sitting here. It ain't going nowhere. So for everybody who keeps asking for updates on the 2J, I just want to let you guys know he's waiting on the engine. It's at the machine shop. He actually dropped his off before I even dropped mine off. So now the last time he was down there, they were working on it. But it seems like all the machine shops here locally in Arizona, for whatever reason, are busy as a motherfucker. So basically he's waiting for the engine to get done, and hopefully here pretty soon we'll be picking it up, dude. The whole short block will be assembled and ready to go. Then we'll get it to the garage, and obviously he has the head and everything he's got to assemble. So I don't know, man. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Just sometimes these things just, it takes time, and with the machine work and everything, that's out of our hands. You know, you can't really speed those things up, and nor would I want to. I doubt Shiloh would want to either, because then they might do a half-ass job. He has all of his stuff all laid out. Everything's all clean and prepped basically, and like ready to go. And he has quite a few things that still need to be painted. Like we're gonna be doing the calipers and the upper control arms and stuff for the front. There's a bunch of things that he wants painted for the car. That's going to be the same color as the engine block and everything. So we're basically waiting to get that back before, you know, so we can paint everything all at the same time, since it's all going to be the same color. Yeah, for the most part, you know, like, we're kind of on hold right now. Got to get the engine back. Once the engine's back, there's a bunch of other things that can be done. And then once those things are done, there's other things that can be done. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of this stuff just has to kind of fall into place as it goes. So as soon as we get the engine back, dude, you guys will know, believe me. And it'll be game on, and we'll be doing some more progress on the 2JZ Civic. God, the engine bay looks beautiful though. I love the color combination. The factory color, and then all the black, and
I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
yeah, guys, that's your update, man. Basically, we're on hold with the 2Js, so there's nothing really we can do. So I'm gonna head out, and I'll see you guys in the garage.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love
Fucking Mustang. Shit. Alrighty then. So they didn't need the entire clutch kit. They only needed the flywheel. They didn't need the pressure plate. They didn't need the clutch. I had a feeling they didn't, but I just took it with me just in case. We're getting the entire rotating assembly balanced, which is freaking awesome. If you're completely rebuilding your engine, I most certainly recommend doing so. I don't know all the scientific terms as to why. I just know it makes everything more balanced, so you get less vibration at higher RPM. So that's good. And we got the Block Gaurd, which is gonna add an extra layer of protection. And they now have the pistons and rods. I guess he's gonna go ahead and check everything and figure out what size rod bearings and the crank bearings, the main bearings and all that stuff. He's gonna find out what size for all that stuff, and go ahead and order those for me. What else? The 2J, we're basically waiting for it to be finished at the machine shop, which should be here pretty soon. So the next video you guys see on the 2JZ Civic will more than likely be probably us painting the block. So he's gonna get it and get the head assembled and everything, and then we gotta paint it, and then we got some more suspension parts and stuff to paint on his car. So most certainly, if you guys are local and you guys are getting an engine built, I don't know if Mesa is far from you or what it is, but all their information is most certainly in the description below, and it is always in the description below. What I'm gonna do to finish my day off, man, I'm probably gonna go ahead and get the other side installed. No, I'm not. I'm waiting for the factory, the OEM side molding to come in so we can try that first. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm probably just gonna move the car out of the driveway, roll the Civic out there in the driveway, and maybe try to get some Instagram pictures before the sun goes down. So I know it's been a while since you guys actually seen the car out with the plastic off of it, so I might do that. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then go ahead and follow me now. But if you are, I'll be posting up some pictures here pretty soon of the Civic. Just some updated pictures, you know what I'm saying? We all like pictures. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we didn't really do a whole lot, but we got some stuff done. Everything's in the works, you know what I'm saying? So by all means, if you liked the video, smash that like button. Oh my god. You can tell I was painting blue today at work, right? Later guys, I'll see you on Friday.